Hey guys, today we're going to be comparing the top of the line iPhones for the past 3 years, so the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone X. So getting right into it, this battery test is a little bit different. It's not the typical battery review. We're putting all three phones through a semi-realistic simulation of 1 day of usage. This was my first time doing something like this, so I apologize. It's not very accurate. There's some mess ups a little bit. Not all the percentages are shown. Not all the footage was recorded. I'm sorry about that. Next time I'll be much better about it. 1 hour phone call, 30 minutes of FaceTime, 30 minutes of video recording, 15 minutes of gaming, 30 minutes on Instagram, 30 minutes on Twitter, 1 hour on YouTube, 2 hours on Netflix, and 30 minutes on the home screen because people are on the home screen more than they think. If you've made it this far into the video, you might want to subscribe because you clicked on this video, right? Clicked on it for a reason, you know? You did that. I saw you. And so, subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, maybe like this video. Good idea. All three phones are on the same iCloud backup. The settings are set to what I believe most people have their settings set to. So Bluetooth is on, Wi-Fi is on, AirDrop is turned off, location services is on, email push is off, Hey Siri is on, auto brightness is turned off, all devices are running iOS 13.1.2. Throughout the test, keep in mind the 10 and the XS Max battery capacity has decreased to 95%, which isn't that bad, but it's still something to consider. The 10 lost 10% battery through just the first hour. That's pretty bad. Then another 10% from FaceTime. The rest of these results, it's not too, it's kind of bad, you know, it's not that great. 2 hours on Netflix really punched the battery hard. Took out almost 20%. The XS Max did better by a fair amount. It ended the test with 27%. That's an additional 12% compared to the 10. It did better in every category, pretty much with decency. It ended the test with 27% again compared to the 10, which ended at 15%, or which is an additional 12% of battery. The iPhone 11 Pro Max, as expected, has incredible battery life. I've been using it since launch day, and I've never ended the day with below 40% battery, which is why I started charging it every 2 days. I'm actually ending with around 60%. Our call took it down to just 99%. That is amazing compared to the others. And I was predicting 97, 96%, but 99, that's awesome. It took pretty much everything like a champ. It ended the test with 50% battery. That's amazing compared to the other two at 27% and 15%. You're getting almost doubled of the XS Max battery. It's an additional, again, 5 hours to the XS Max. This video might have been shorter than usual. I'm not sure. We'll have to see how long it lasts after I edit it. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm gonna be doing, what's my next video gonna be? I'm thinking of doing an iPhone 11 Pro Max review. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.